All right, so I've done this with other cars I've had in the past. I've got this Acura. It's a 2007 MDX, and the headlights are pretty faded. They're pretty weather beaten. Now, I've done this before on a Forester before. I used actually the same kit, which is that 3M Ultra Headlight Restore Kit. Takes about 40 minutes on the box. It's always taking me longer than that because I do a little bit of taping, so there's no chance that anything gets scuffed. Because basically what you're doing is you are buffing, sanding, and sealing these headlights. Really like the results the last time I used it. Gonna go ahead and do it on this one and see how it goes. All right, unboxing the Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. It says 40 minutes. It'll take you longer than 40 minutes. But comes with your different levels of sandpaper, green tape, instructions, and then clear coat, because once you get done buffing these, sanding these headlights down, that you put a clear coat on it. The clear coat right there is what gets you back to that shine again. So gonna get started on it. Once you get her good, contaminants. This is pretty good. Little spot right there. It'll be worth it. They'll look. There's nothing like that. Right there. Put another pad on. For anybody that's gonna not, and the brushless. You gotta get the brushless.